Yes, it started. I cannot make it public because it's a personal conversation.
Which in YouTube?
That's why I kept it as unlisted. You will not find out in my channel list if you go on public profile. It will be
Acha.
accessible to you.
Okay. Yes, done.
Okay. So now closely look at this diagram.
Hmm.
What do you see?
There is one semicircle, right?
Inside one.
Inside one.
Yes. This is semicircle.
And one, I guess, sector is there or what?
You can say a circle whose this part is already removed. Correct.
Huh.
Then
Quarter circle, na?
you cannot say it's a quarter circle
No,
because
no, in middle. Because it's broken in two parts, na?
it's half circle.
Huh.
Correct. It's half circle.
Correct.
So from a circle, already some part is removed, right?
Hmm.
So what we will call it as? Go to the notes. Go to the some basic shapes.
Huh.
Can you get some idea what it is?
Some basic shapes have gone.
Hmm. What is it?
Outer region, na, you're telling?
Yes.
Outer region. It can't be a quarter circle. It can't be a sector. Semicircle. It can't be a semicircle also.
Yes.
What is the diagram of outer circle?
Think of. Uh, Let us assume that it is a some part of a circle or some sector of circle. Can you think of it's a sector of circle?
Hmm.
See how? I will reconstruct a figure here. Okay. Like this. On this is a semicircle. Okay.
Hmm.
On this semicircle, this is suppose a Y. Okay. Now let us connect this center of the Y to this point and to this point. Correct?
Hmm.
Now, will it form a triangle?
Oh, wow.
Right? So this will form a triangle here, like this.
Hmm.
Now tell me, what is this length? This length.
So basically that height is 50, na?
Don't think too much. Don't look at this. What is this height? We are looking for this.
Hmm. Right.
So from the center, if you are connecting to any edge of the circle, won't be at a radius.
Hmm.
So definitely this will be a 100. Correct?
Yes, barabar.
Right. So it will be 100. So this will be 100 mm. Then if this is 100, so this will be also 100.
Perfect.
Correct? Now you look at
Yes.
this will be 50. Correct?
50, right.
Right. So this is 50. If we draw one vertical line like this from this, okay, this 150, this vertical line, correct?
Hmm.
So what we are going to get? This big triangle is now divided into the two triangles,
Yes.
correct? So this is
Hmm.
the right angle triangle
Hmm.
here, 90-degree here. Now this is 50, correct?
Yes.
So can we find out this angle?
Yes. Tan theta is equal to.
Let us let it be theta. Tan, no, don't use tan theta because we don't know this.
Right, right, right.
We'll have to find out. Anyway, we can find out it by a simple technique.
Sine theta opposite upon hypotenuse.
So instead of tan theta, use cos theta.
Hmm.
Why cos theta?
Adjacent upon hypotenuse, na?
Correct. So it is better to use cos theta instead of the tan theta. So we can write down here cos theta is equals to 50 by 100.
Hmm.
Correct. So from this, we will get what is the theta. How much?
Half, na?
It is 50 by 100.
60.
60 degree. Correct. So we get this angle as 60 degree. Similarly, this angle should be 60 degree.
Same.
So if this is
Theta 2.
sorry,
Theta 2 should.
this is 30.
Ah.
This is 30. This will be 60. Correct.
Hmm.
Now if this is 30. This is 30. What will be the total angle here?
We have to subtract, na?
Uh, so from we will get this total angle subtended.
Hmm.
This total angle will be this is 180. Correct.
Yes.
So 180 plus this 30 plus this 30. So total angle will be 240 degree.
Hmm.
Correct.
Hmm.
Now I'm redrawing this figure only for this semicircle. Correct. This we are going to
Hmm.
get it.
Yes.
So we can get this as a sector of circle which is plated into two parts. Correct. Out of which this will be 120 degree. This will be also 120 degree.
Right.
Right. Let us call this as alpha. This is also alpha. Right. So
Hmm.
now you go to the notes where we have drawn some basic shape. You will find out a figure like this, which is
Sector.
sector of circle, which is symmetrical about the x-axis.
Hmm.
What is the area for this sector of circle?
R square
Alpha,
alpha.
where alpha should be in radians,
Yes.
right? So if we apply the same analogy, this is the sector of circle. What we can find out the area of this? Let us call this as now A, right? Let
Hmm.
us call these two triangles or single triangle. Let us call this as A2, right? Let us call this as A3. So what we can do? A1 plus A2 minus,
Minus 80.
right? Correct.
Yes,
So
barabar.
for that, we need to find out A1. Okay.
Hmm.
To find out A1, we need to find out what is this R square alpha.
Hmm.
Uh, we have the alpha now, 120 degree.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Now,
our R is what?
R is radius. This radius.
Yes. Ah.
Now the question is, big question is, this is a sector of circle which is
Hmm.
symmetrical about x-axis. Can we apply the same analogy here? Yes or no? If it is yes, then we can proceed.
Huh, why not but?
Yes. If it is, then we can proceed with the process. What is the process
Huh.
we follow? We need to find out
That huh.
how do you find out alpha?
A1 divided by R square, na?
No, no, no. Alpha is equal to 120 degree. This.
Ah, yes, okay.
Alpha is this much. This is alpha. Correct?
Hmm.
Right? So area is this is R. This is R. R square by R square multiplied by alpha. So here this is R. Right?
Hmm.
This is R. Correct?
Yes.
This is also R. So
Hmm.
R square into alpha is the area. So alpha
Yes,
will be
barabar.
converted into radians first. How do we convert?
Hmm.
Into pi by 180,
Acha, acha, okay, 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 okay.
right? Yes. So how do you write that down? Right? First, uh, after this figure, you draw this figure, right?
Hmm.
Showing this outer circle. Show this, right? Draw this triangle.
I
What?
have drawn this.
Ah,
I have done all three diagrams.
all three diagrams. You can also show this. Matlab this also you can show, and then
Hmm.
you find out this alpha.
2 by 3 pi.
Yes, convert that 2 by 3 pi into numerical value.
2.09.
Okay, correct. 2.09. And now, what is the digit ahead of 2.09?
93.
What is ahead of 3?
3.
Okay, so we will write down 2.093. Now, why did I tell you? Because it might change the values a lot because it is in degrees, correct?
Hmm.
So, whenever we convert degrees to radians, na, so
Hmm.
here multiplying factor needs to be at least 2 3 degrees, 2 3 decimals.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Right.
we can write down this A1. A1 will be equals to, let us call this as A1, this as A2, and this as A3.
Hmm.
Hmm. So now we can find out what is this A1 value. So that will be 100 square multiplied by 2.093.
20930.
Yes, 20930. Okay,
Hmm.
now you might have noticed the difference. See,
Yes, barabar.
if instead of the 2.093, if would have written 2.09, answer would have been 20900.
Hmm.
So this 30 added because we have taken a next digit
Hmm.
because multiplying factor is r square, which is too large compared with this. So it is better to have 3 digits in this case.
Yes.
Now, this is done. What about the centroid? Centroid is located somewhere here.
Hmm.
What is this distance? This is called, let us say, G1. So for in the same way, centroid for here will be somewhere here, G1.
Hmm. Yes, barabar.
For semicircle
Semicircle.
somewhere here, G2. And for this triangle somewhere here, sorry, it is, ah,
Hmm. There only, no, sir.
nahi, nahi. Hmm, I missed that nomenclature. It is area 3. So this should be G3 and here it will be G2. So what will be
Good.
the value of G1? We need to find out because we need to put it in the table and that much calculation will not be able to fit.
Hmm. Barabar.
Same again, go to the notes, find out what is the value written here. There it is x1 or x bar, right? And y was 0 because the figure is
Ah.
symmetrical about the x axis.
Yes, barabar.
Reverse is our case. Figure is symmetrical
Hmm.
about y axis.
Hmm.
So in this case, x will be 0 and we need to
Okay.
find y. So here
Y1, na?
g1 will be equals to y1 will be equals to 2 by 3 r
Yes.
sine alpha by alpha. Correct?
Sine alpha by alpha, how came?
Look at that.
Acha, हाँ, right.
Hmm.
Yes. It's written.
Ah,
So I can directly make the table, na, now.
now you can make table after you put these values. You can
Hmm.
put
Okay.
value separately and then put the table in the table altogether.
Hmm.
Table will be very large if you show all calculations there. So here 2 by 3 100 sine of 120 divided by 2.093.
How much is it, sir?
27.548.
Right. No, 548, no, 549.
5848. So you can write down 555 or 584.
So 27.584
Hmm. It should be centimeters.
centimeter, right?
Sorry, not centimeters. Mm.
Ah, it's in mm, na?
Uh,
Question is given in mm.
Convert this into square. My mistake I have written is a centimeter square.
Okay.
Hmm. Write down mm.
Hmm. Now done.
Okay, now you draw the table. So in the table, what do you write?
Figure,
Hmm.
फिर area, xi, yi.
Or part, area, right? Then
Hmm.
don't write down xi. No need because you can directly write down xi is symmetrical, so zero. Just write down coordinates and y and that in mm. And then ai, yi is in square.
Hmm.
And sorry, cube because ai is in square. Yi multiplied will be cube. Area will
Yes.
be square,
Hmm.
right? So now first
Yeah.
will be sector, right? Second
Hmm.
is triangle A1, A2. And the next one will be semicircle A3.
Yeah. Babu? Wait, huh?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Done. Now we can write down the value of area we have got 20930.
Ha, yes, done.
Then we can also write down the 27.54 here.
Yes, barabar. Yi, na?
Yi. Yes.
Hmm. Yes. Now triangle.
Yes. For triangle, how much?
Half into base into height, na?
Yes. Half into base will be how much? We need to calculate.
Base, na, sir?
Huh?
Ah, yes.
Yes, we need to calculate base.
What is the height? Height is 50, na?
Height is 50. So in this case,
Hmm.
uh, this is 100. Hmm? So 100 square,
100 square minus 50 square.
correct, is equals to x, or under root of 100 square minus 50 square. So x will be this much, half.
50 root 3, that is 86.60.
Okay. So multiplied by 2 will be the total base.
86.8060 into 2.
173.205. Or we can say 173.21,
Hmm.
right? So total is 173.21. So now It is into 50 into 173.21.
Hmm.
How much you get?
4330.25.
Into 50 divided by 2. So 25. 4330.25. Correct.
Now semicircle.
Yes. Semicircle.
Semicircle, na?
Yes.
What is the area of semicircle, sir? Wait, ah.
Hmm.
Pi r square by 2.
Correct.
So
What will
what
be
is
R?
r?
What is R?
Wait, ah.
Hmm.
2.093, na?
R
No,
is
100. Sorry, 100.
no, no. Look at carefully. Semicircle. Inside one.
Ah, inside one, na? See, that is. Oh, okay.
Ah, don't rush.
It's 175. Both are given.
So 100 is for outer one.
Hmm.
Inner one.
And 75 is for inner one.
Then what is the
So
radius? 75.
75 into 75, na?
That will be diameter. मतलब you are talking
Ah,
about.
sir, pi r square by 2, na?
Ah, right, right.
That way I'm taking.
Ah, is it minus or plus?
Minus 8831.25.
Hmm.
Done. Minus
It will be 35.79.
88.
8835.73.
Ah, yes. Not 73. I'm coming 75.
Calculator you are using, ना?
Ah, yes. Calculator only.
ठीक है. Because I'm using mobile calculator, ना, so it might give some higher values.
Hmm. Yeah, barabar.
Better proceed.
Now coordinates of y1 for triangle.
Coordinates of y2 for triangle. Yes.
Okay. Now.
This is the centroid.
Yes, barabar.
Here it is.
And the height is 50, na?
Ah,
Okay. So what will be distance from there to there? Right, barabar.
okay.
Triangle.
Kind of problem. Yeah, wait. My daughter dissected the charger. She's crying. Don't worry. मी काय बोललोच नाही तुला. नो प्रॉब्लेम नो प्रॉब्लेम. ठीक है. Okay, continue.
Your daughter is how many years old?
11. She's turning
Wow.
11 tomorrow.
Arey, wow.
Day after tomorrow.
Belated happy birthday, sir.
Advance में.
एडवांस में हाँ बराबर
Thank
हाँ
you.
बोलो
So this will be 50 by 3. Is it?
yes 50 by 3 direct
Ah, so how much 50 by 3?
16.66
Yes. Now it is what we can say repeating numbers. Huh? So we can take 16.667 or 16.67. Both are correct.
hmm.
So we'll take two digits or three. Let us
I
take
took 3 I took 3 digits
67 then.
uh,
Hmm. What about
now semicircle
here? Three.
so 4r by 3 pi is there na
Yes. So this will be 4r by 3 pi.
Hmm.
4 into r is
4r by 3 pi.
r value is
R value is the whole na we are taking now.
but tell me what is r?
It should be 100, na sir?
Now no, we are focusing on semicircle.
Semicircle. Oh, right. Sorry. 75 is then, na?
That's why I have not written here.
75. 4 into 75 by 3 into pi.
Right. So 4 into 75 divided by 3 pi.
गलत.
21
31.84
plus or minus
minus.
plus.
Semicircle, na sir? We are minusing, right?
But area we are subtracting.
Getting. 5. See, my AIXI is coming. Our first one is 57733.12.
7
33.
2. Okay. Let me check. Oh, yeah, it is come here. Just you have to multiply 20930 into 27.52.
Hmm. You got?
Yes, same. Point one.
Point 12 is there.
Now tell me, this red color I have written, particularly I have written in red, is it
Hmm.
origin? Origin,
Yes.
right? So should it be positive?
No.
It should be negative, right?
Yes.
So here, answer start with negative.
So 4330.25 into 16.667. It's 727172.27.
You can take 27 or 28, whatever it is. Okay. And this 4 into 75 divided by 3 pi. This value is 31.83 minus 281241, correct?
Hmm.
281241.28. After what is happening on my screen, after writing that, the letter it disappeared.
Right, barabar.
Keep a space where to write down the next letter. So 8 and 1 coincided here. So now we are writing summation of AI minus.
I got the answer.
Okay. What is it?
Tell me the final answer, sir.
Just wait. 281241.2. I'm getting 223918.
No, I'm getting 223830.57.
22
3830.
223830.
Hmm.
Uh, how is it?
Ah, you have written in the first 5733. It's triple three. You have written double three.
No, 332 I have written.
Ah, in my calculator it was showing double three. Triple three. Sorry.
Ah, that's okay. This much variation will be there. Uh,
241.28. How came your in last third one? Minus 228,241.28. I'm getting minus 28,1330.28.
8835.73. 8835.73 into 31.83. 281241.28.
I got it.
Uh,
Hmm, I got.
wait. This 16.67 is not correct. See,
How?
we have taken the distance from this base, correct?
Hmm.
But where is our origin? Here. So we
Yes.
need to find out this distance.
Barabar.
So 50 minus 16.667. That should be the correct.
50 minus 16.667.
Correct?
हाँ right बराबर.
33.333. So this should be minus 33.333, not 16.66. So it will be 50 minus 50 by 3. See, this area is also going to change.
Too many wrong.
Hmm. So this will be
144327.
minus
Hmm.
144. 144340. Somewhere in this
Hmm.
value should be. Okay. Point two two.
151764.
Yeah. Okay. Closer. Because I am very close to your answer.
हाँ.
Minus 144,340.22 minus 2812.21.28. 151750 I'm getting.
बराबर.
Okay. Now you can calculate MM cube. So now y bar is equals to summation of x divided by equals to 1517.0.6
I have calculated 16424.5.
Okay. Huh? Okay.
9.24 final answer.
9.24. Okay. ठीक है.
Ah,
So now finally we will write down CG is equals to x bar comma y bar equals to 0 comma 9.24 mm. This will be the final.
what? Wapis, can you repeat?
This, look at this. CG x bar comma y bar 0
Hmm.
comma 9.24. You can write down since it is symmetrical about y axis.
Yes.
Since it is symmetrical about y axis. Then you can write down straight.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Now in detail, uh, probably this is chapter number 6.
I have MD that your Somaya wala bana na?
Yes, yes.
Yes, open.
So somewhere about 140 near my page. 140 to 145 के बीच में.
Hmm. Yes. Okay.
Hmm. Could you find out this figure? Same.
140 na sir?
Nearby 140 because the pages number could be shifted because I'm using an older version.
Hmm. Yes. Ah. Yes, it's there.
There, na?
Hmm.
There's one more problem. Similar. Can you
Yes.
spot on that somewhere
Hmm. I can see.
you will see a figure like somewhere like this. And this is shaded. You see this? And this is given as 250. This is given as 100. This is also given as 100.
It's not there.
Huh?
There.
Not there.
Nope.
Problem number in my book it is 6.8. Okay, I will share. Wait, I will share.
Nope.
Okay. Because my book could be different. It's a 2019 edition probably. Alright. Accidentally, I stopped this meeting instead of sharing this. That
Hmm.
camera side.
Huh. Yes.
It's having cam.
Hmm.
So because of this, everything is confused.
Yes.
You are saying,
Hmm. Uh, Sir, around 7:20, I have got one more lecture of college. Around 7:20 only, you can stop.
at 7:10 or 7:05.
Ah, okay, okay. I just need to prepare the orientation. That's why.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay.
No problem.
Which lecture? College?
Which lecture? Apna college lecture. Yes.
No worries. Can you look at
Because today college was holiday, na?
I wasn't knowing that holiday. Otherwise, we would have scheduled in afternoon.
Because all college were holiday today.
Our college was not having holiday. Although I was not
No,
went. Okay.
the Mumbai University had issued the
Ah,
guidelines that it
oh,
was today holiday.
okay. Can you look at this?
Huh?
Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes. This problem. Wait, let me check.
It is 22 page.
No, in my page it's not in 142.
No worries. No worries. Just look at this. We will not go into detail because such problem may be out of scope for simple figure. But let us not ruling out because this was our college problem. So university is bound to give some surprises. So
Yes. Okay.
if this is the shaded region. This shaded region is composed of what? This like this 250.
Yes.
This width is 200.
Hmm.
Consider there is one rectangle. Right?
Hmm.
We wanted to subtract this triangle, right?
Yes. Barabar.
Right. The area of rectangle and finding the centroid of a rectangle is not an issue, correct?
Hmm.
What will be a challenge? What is this like, correct?
Right.
And what is the diameter? If you get this, diameter is also easy to get, right?
Diameter.
You will not get it directly.
Hmm.
Huh? So how do we get this rectangle, this triangle length?
That triangle side, na?
Triangle side, either this side, which is the side of the rectangle, triangle, or the side of the semicircle. That is the base of semicircle, or
Hmm.
diameter of semicircle. How do we get? Any query? Any idea comes into your mind?
Uh.
It could be wrong because here it is mentioned over diameter as mm. Here only in centimeter units is written.
So we can't use a hypotenuse theorem, right? Hmm.
We cannot use the hypotenuse directly,
Hmm.
but we can get an idea. Here, here is a dotted
That
line.
angle is given, na there.
Huh? Huh? Angle is given,
That.
correct.
Uh,
So can we take this angle as 60,
yes.
right? So if we take this 60, right? Let me take it on the PPT. So if we take it this 60, can you find out what is this hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
correct. We can get it on hypotenuse. Once we get
I
this,
told yes to.
what is the value of it? Now I'm sharing my PPT, so we can write it down because it will not be easy to write down on PDF.
Science 16, huh?
Ah,
Wait, huh?
yes.
How much it?
Uh, it's here.
Ah,
So we can use sin 60 to get opposite side. Yes, we can use take sin 60.
yes.
So
I have to science 60 only.
ah 60 sin 60 is equals to, let us call this as x by, we cannot use sin 60 because we don't have the hypotenuse. We wanted to find out the
Hmm.
hypotenuse. We have to use tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to x by 100. Getting?
Hmm.
So it is opposite upon adjacent side.
173.20.
X value. How you can get more than 50? Not possible.
No, I'm getting 173.
Ah, okay, okay. It's possible. Yes. 100 into tan 60. 73.205.
Yes.
So this will be 173.205. Right? So now,
Hmm.
how much is this space? AC value is equals to
Hmm.
under root of 100 square plus 173.205.
Hmm. 200 only.
Because there are too many 99s. So we can, right? So AC is
Uh,
100. Now, what we can write it down. Before we proceed, let us draw some basic shapes because this is one triangle.
what is this?
CG will be here. Correct. Let us call this
Yeah.
as A2. Let us call the rectangle as A1,
Hmm.
right? So centroid is somewhere here. Let us call this as A3.
Yeah.
So we will have A1 minus A2 minus A3,
Hmm.
right? So now CG will be here,
Hmm.
right? This distance is polar by 3 pi.
Ah.
Now we need to find out this both, correct?
Hmm.
How much is this? X will be X3, X will be Y3, correct?
Hmm. Ah.
Right? So now for our case, first let me find out this X3. X3 will be here.
Hmm.
Any idea?
Any idea how to find that X3?
Yes, X3 or Y3. Because once you find out X3, Y3 will be also, you will get. because this if this is a centroid or this is some efforts you will get,
Hmm.
right? This will be
Right.
this will be this is 173.205.
Yes.
So one third of 173.205. This is very small.
Hmm.
You know, this also present your next one, correct?
Hmm.
Similarly, this is 100. So this distance is 2 by 3 of 100,
Hmm.
correct? So 2 by 3 of 100 plus 100 is the sum of 5, correct?
Yes.
But this is not that simple.
Hmm.
Any idea?
That one is a little tricky.
Hmm. So let us first find out how much is this, right? This, okay? 4 out by 3 comes out to be first, and we will find out first. 4 out by 3 pi, that is 4 into what is the radius?
4 into radius, na sir?
Uh,
We have removed no, na?
so this we got 200.
That full is 200, no?
Uh,
So directly we can write na 200.
I is 100, not 200.
Means diameter I'm telling.
Yes, yes,
Diameter is 200, so R will be 100.
yes, correct. So
42.46.
uh,
42.46.
0.46. Okay, 42.44.
Hmm.
I think you are calculator using the different value of pi. That's why you are getting bigger answer from me. Yes. Okay. So this value is 42.44, right?
Yes.
Now, uh, see, look at the geometry carefully. This is 42.44, right? And
Hmm.
we need to find out what is this horizontal value
Hmm.
or how much is this total distance,
Ah.
so that we can subtract from 215. mm, Yes, it. So that
Isn't this question too little tricky and hard?
no, right? See, we know this much distance, correct?
Ah.
Let us look at this. We know this much distance, right?
Hmm.
Then we know this distance. Then
Yes.
we draw one perpendicular like this,
Hmm.
right? So from this perpendicular, this is 30,
Hmm.
right? So this is 30, this is 60, this angle will be
Yes.
60, right?
Hmm.
If this is 60, this is already known, this is 50,
Hmm.
right? So we will be getting
Yes.
this much length. How much is this? Getting?
Yes. So upper region you're telling na how much it is.
This is. Let us call this point as something C, D, A, D. Let us call this D.
Hmm.
Okay. So we will be able to find out C. So how will we get C?
Right.
CD is equals to uh, this hypotenuse is 50. This is
Hmm.
so sine 60 is equals to CD is equals to 50 sine 60.
Hmm.
Correct? What is that value?
50 sine 60, na? 43.30.
Correct. 43 point. Uh, is it 50? Oh, sorry, sorry. It's latest take it as 100, not 150. Because that angle is
Hmm.
that
Yes, barabar.
0.60.
Hmm.
So this distance is already known.
Hmm.
Let us call this point as 173.
Ah.
From this, we need to construct such a way that we will be able to get
Hmm.
this distance. So let us take the x3
Hmm.
is equals to here like this, correct?
Hmm.
Right? So how to get the x3 will be
Ah.
let us call this distance as BC, this is BC,
Hmm.
right? Plus CD, plus CD.
Hmm.
We subtract this will be this.
Yes, barabar.
So this collar triangle, how to find out this? We know this much is 42.44,
Hmm.
right? So if this is 42, how much is this?
We can remove it, na?
What distance I am referring to?
Ah, that 44. What you have written? Ah, I got it. Wait.
Changing the colors so you will understand. Okay.
Ah. How many marks question?
And such questions, rare possibility of asking, we should be prepared. Horizontal line we need to select.
Hmm.
Okay. Then we will get this external.
Hmm.
Correct. Similarly, we need to also find out this vertical distance.
Hmm.
What is the angle here? Because once we know this, we also need to know what is the angle to get this horizontal as well as vertical value. So think how to get the angle.
Ah.
Look at it.
Wait, huh? It's a triangle, na?
This is a
Right angle triangle.
Like we need to take either this angle or
Hmm.
this angle.
Ah, the downside is easier.
Downside is this is 30, this will be 60,
Hmm.
right? But
Yes.
obviously this side and this side are perpendicular to each other.
Yes.
If this is 60, this will be 30.
Yes.
So you get this. So if this is 30 degree, right,
Hmm.
it will be easily get this value, correct? So what we
Hmm.
write it down? Sin 30.
Directly sin 30. Yes.
Let us call this as x1, x1 by 42.47.
Hmm.
Instead of x1, we will let us call this as something xr or something.
Okay.
So we get this value as 42.22 into sin 30.
Hmm.
42.44.
Hmm. Yeah. 2 3 actually.
Minus 21.22.
Hmm.
What is the value of PC? PC is
CD is 86.86, na?
CD is 86.686. 86.60 is CD. PC value is
Hmm.
50 minus 173.205. How do we get that?
Yes.
Uh,
173.205.
76.795
76.79.
uh, plus 86.60 minus 21.22. That will be the value of x.
142.175.
Right. Similarly, find out here y r. So that will be cos 30 0.44.
Hmm.
That will be 36 point.
75.
We get y3 is equals to 250 uh, minus 250. We have to separate this one.
Hmm.
Value is 36.75. Normally,
Yes. Eh? What happened?
uh, presentation went into infinity mode. So it stopped. Happens sometimes. Right.
अरे अरे अरे.
Yes. It was not saved. It got automatically stopped. Okay. No problem. We understood. Na?
Hmm.
Draw this diagram. Draw.
Huh.
Okay. I'm sharing the book. Getting what we were trying to find out?
Hmm. You're presenting once again, acha. Just a second, I'm coming from washroom, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes.
So we wanted to find out this here. What we have written earlier, we wanted to find out the value of y3,
Hmm.
right? And this came to find. So y3 value was 200, not 250, 200 minus here minus this.
Hmm.
Uh, how to put it? Yeah. See, this is 100,
Yes.
this angle is 60,
Hmm.
plus 60 is equals to AM divided by 100, right? So we would have
Hmm.
easily got 100 cos 60 is equal to T.
Hmm.
Value of y3 we have got 200 minus 50 minus this should be around 36 or 37. This one.
Hmm.
This was 4R by 3 by something about 42.44, right? And this was 30 degree. That's the total way. So this one this is 30. So side of 30 equals to x height minus the y height. So side 30 it will be 21.22.
Right. Round वही आएगा. Hmm.
21.22. And what was the value of x star? X star value was cos 30. This value is this one.
Hmm.
So 42.44. Right. I think I calculated earlier. Cos 30 into 42.44. So this was 32.44. This value. 1 second. Right? get it as 36 point, sorry, 21.2.
Hmm.
Correct? And this is the final value of point 3. 200 minus 21.22, 128.78 mm. So at these three value, I think we got the maximum value.
142.175.
0.175. So this was the tricky task.
Tricky, sir. It was among God tier question.
It's a full question to be solved. Yes, correct.
I doubt if any of the student tried to solve this whole correctly.
Mm, yes. Now you can construct that table and then you can write down this A1, A2, and A3. Consider this rectangle as A1.
Hmm.
A1 is rectangle minus angle A2 minus semicircle A3. And then again finding out the area for the semicircle and triangle. That's not a difficult task. That will be easy.
That I can do.
Mm, correct.
Now you are going to teach Naya topic or sir what?
Just to introduce a new topic.
Sir, just introduce the topic.
Okay. So I'm stopped. You can find out the answer later.
You're sharing or what?
No, I'm sharing. Wait. Okay. So equilibrium. So in this equilibrium, we are supposed to understand equilibrium of system, types of supports, and loads. Also,
Hmm.
equation needs to be solved in this module only. So comparatively a large. Okay.
Hmm.
So there are certain outcomes I have written. So we should be able to draw the free body diagram. Then also need to calculate support reaction. Currently, you won't understand anything. What do you mean by free body diagram? What do you mean by support reaction? Okay.
Hmm.
Then what is an example of this equilibrium is a lamp hanging from a ceiling is an example of concurrent force system in equilibrium. So
Hmm.
what does it mean of that? If we take an lamp, oh, how to write down on screen.
Yes, sir.
Let us say lamp hanging from a ceiling. From the two, we can say two ropes. What is two ropes means?
Two ropes, na?
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
so it will be an example of concurrent force system. You have two ropes just copy the movements of the mouse. This is one,
Hmm.
this is another. At the junction of these two ropes, there is one more rope below which a lamp is hanging.
Okay.
So that will be this one node. Moving the mouse, just observe. This is another. This is third one, right? So below is the
Okay.
lamp. So that will be a case of concurrent force system in equilibrium.
Hmm.
Getting? Hmm. So now, if I go to the, can you see something? White screen.
Yes.
So I'm writing, drawing here like
Hmm.
this. This is the supposed lamp. Getting?
Hmm.
Or we can say this lamp is independently attached here and this is independently attached here. Somewhere else. Somewhere like this. Okay. So the tension could be different. T1,
Hmm.
right? This is T2, right? And here it is acting the weight of the lamp. So in this case, we should separate like this. This is the case of concurrent force system, right?
Hmm.
So that is what is called as equilibrium of concurrent force system. Case of
Hmm. Yeah.
another case, structure like building dams are examples of general force system because for buildings,
Hmm.
three dimensional, all types of forces will come. It could be parallel, it could be inclined, something like this. Right?
Yes.
It's a case of general force system in equilibrium. What do you mean by equilibrium?
Body is at state of rest.
Yes, body in a state of rest means all the forces acting vertically downward will be
Hmm.
balanced by the forces which are exactly equal and
Hmm.
opposite to the all forces so that the building remains steady rest. Correct?
Hmm.
Similar is the case for dam. Suppose this is a dam structure, we generally show it like this. Okay, if this is the upstream and this is the downstream, right? So all these forces, which is nothing but a water force as well as the weight of the dam in downward. All this is balanced by this
Ah.
forces, which are reactive forces. This is reactive force. Right? This is a water force, and this is the weight of dam. Correct? All needs to be balanced by this R. Correct? To be the dam in equilibrium. Correct? This is the case of general force system because this is upward, this is horizontal, this is downward. Correct?
Hmm.
Similarly, you are sitting on a bench. Is an example of parallel force system. This is a bench,
Hmm.
right? You are sitting here. So whatever is the force you are offering, particularly downward, same will be the force offered by the, or the, let us say the surface over which the bench is kept. Correct? So it's the case of parallel forces. This is acting downward, bench, right?
Hmm.
This is reactive, acting upward.
Yes, barabar.
This is the case of equilibrium
Hmm.
or equilibrium of parallel forces. Correct?
Hmm.
So now let us understand the term which is called as equilibrium. What is equilibrium? I think we earlier studied this, a force which is equal, opposite, and collinear to the resultant of collinear concurrent force system.
Hmm.
So this is the concurrent force system whose resultant is suppose this R. What is equilibrium? It is equal, opposite, and collinear. Getting?
Hmm. Ah, colon is there, right? Barabar.
So it is equal in magnitude, right?
Hmm.
Opposite to the direction of the resultant and collinear to it. So this is called
Hmm.
equilibrium. Now, whenever we are saying the equilibria, that is equilibrium state of a system. So what are the different stages we are considering? We are considering the stable equilibrium.
Hmm.
right? Stable equilibrium is nothing but a state of static equilibrium. What is statically equilibrium? Correct? Suppose
Yes.
if we keep a mobile on a table, it will be a static equilibrium state. Correct?
Hmm.
Now, if we give some additional displacement to this suppose given ball or body, right? Then what is the natural tendency of the body to regain its original state?
Yes.
So we can say that for any body, it will try to restore its original stable equilibrium state. Okay.
Hmm.
Now let us look at the unstable equilibrium. Body within unstable equilibrium is it is in the state of static equilibrium and an additional force is attached which will give a slight displacement and which will try to push away position of body, but body does not release its original shape. Sorry, not original shape, but original position.
Ah. Position. Yes.
It is getting displaced by a force to a new state.
Hmm.
That is called as unstable equilibrium. What was earlier stable equilibrium? Because of the displacement which is given because of another force, body try to return to the original position. That is stable equilibrium.
Hmm.
And what is unstable equilibrium? Body does not retain its original position because of the additionally disturbed force.
Ah.
Now, neutral body will be neutral equilibrium. If it was in static equilibrium, now no additional force is set up or a slight displacement from initial position. It can occupy some new position and remains in static equilibrium from this position.
Hmm. This one is a little tricky.
So, without any additional force,
Hmm. Without any additional force, right? Okay.
additional force is set up,
Hmm.
slight displacement from initial position and it occupies a new position and remains in static equilibrium in this new position.
Yeah.
So that is neutral.
Hmm.
Now let us understand again unstable.
Hmm.
Initially, when the body is in static equilibrium, an additional force is set up which removes the body from the original position, but the body does not come
Hmm.
back to the original position because of the displacement. It is
Yeah. Right.
unstable. Now, again, go back to the static equilibrium. The body is given a displacement because of the additional force, right? Will try to restore the body to the original force, original position.
Hmm.
So, body retains original position stable. Body
Hmm.
does not retain original position unstable,
Yeah.
right?
It's unstable, right?
And body gains a new position, but no additional force is given.
Hmm.
That's neutral.
Ah. Oh. Acha. Okay.
Uh,
Wow.
Now, these are the basic definitions of equilibrium, which are very, very important. By heart, just to by heart. इनसे उठाए तो भी याद होना चाहिए क्या लिखा है इसमें.
Sum of the all forces in x direction is zero. Sum of all y direction is zero. Sum of all movements of movements.
हाँ.
Oh. Of all forces is zero.
हम्म.
A body is said to be in equilibrium if it's in the state of the rest of motion based on the Newton's first law.
हम्म.
Hmm.
Correct.
Correct.
So this is
Hmm.
the case.
Right.
conditions are given which are based on the Newton's first law of motion. Summation fx equals to 0, summation fy equals to 0, summation n. Correct?
Hmm.
These are three conditions. And a body is said to be in equilibrium. It is in the state of rest of motion.
Hmm.
Right? So
Yeah.
a body is said to be in equilibrium. The resultant of the system is 0.
Hmm.
So if we add all forces, what do you mean by all forces? Suppose these are the three forces acting F1, F2, F3. So we can say that F1, F2, F3 will be equal to 0 after resolving. Yeah. So after
Of course.
resolving, what I can write down F1x, F2x plus F3x. Correct?
Hmm.
Will be equal to 0.
Hmm.
Similarly, F1y, F2y, F3y will be 0. Correct?
Hmm.
And what will be the moment? Obviously, it will be 0 because it's a case of concurrent force system. So
Yes.
it will not at all apply. Not required or not at all applied.
Hmm.
Correct? For concurrent force system, this summation m equals to 0 is not required to be applied.
Hmm.
Get it?
Right.
Just look at the concept and then we'll start.
Yes.
This ladder is resting against a vertical wall and horizontal wall. So what is mentioned here, ladder resting against both walls under a floor.
Hmm.
Correct? So what we mean by the support wall, it is resting against the support wall, so there will be some reaction offered by this.
Hmm.
Once we remove this wall, if it is a rough floor, some friction will be there. Correct?
Hmm.
So we know that friction force is trying to cause the motion. What will be the motion? This ladder is moving downward. So the point is
Yes.
right side. Correct? Getting?
Hmm.
So opposing force, which is the frictional force, the oppose this motion. So friction force will be, let's say, tangential to this.
Yes.
Similarly, there will be one vertical force like this, which is called as normal length. Weight of this ladder will be acting inside the ladder.
Hmm.
We are removing the support and showing what is the reactive for the reactive force. So this is called as FBD, that is free body diagram.
Yes.
Okay. Getting?
Hmm.
So now we stop.
Acha.
So